How to fix Messenger always select account on Messenger. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first you will just go and open settings of your phone. Then you will go to apps or applications, and then you will go directly to Messenger. When you found Messenger guys, just open it like this. And now go to storage. Open storage and go to the last button here, clear data, click OK, and go back and go to first tab and click OK. And now go back to your home page on your phone and go to Play Store or App Store and update Messenger again. And that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another